The economic freedom fighters notes with deep concern the decision by Zimbabwean President Mnangagwa to sign into law constitutional amendment extending the presidential term from 5 to 7 years, effectively positioning the next election until 2030. Sadc EFF statement on the extension of Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term of office. That was subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. EFF the liberation of Zimbabwe from settler colonialism remain one of the greatest victories in the history of Africa, and the sacrifices made by countless freedom fighters can never be erased or diminished. However, no liberation movement acquires a permanent entitlement to government simply because of its historic role in defeating colonialism. The legitimacy won on the battlefield must continually be renewed through the democratic consent of the people. For decades, ZANU-PF has increasingly behaved as though the people of Zimbabwe owe it perpetual political loyalty because it was the movement that led the liberation struggle. The dangerous mentality has transformed a liberation movement into an establishment that appears more concerned with preserving its hold on power than responding to the daily struggles of ordinary Zimbabweans. President Mnangagwa has failed to confront the profound economic hardships, unemployment and collapsing public services, and widespread poverty confronting the people of Zimbabwe. Millions of Zimbabweans continue to leave their homeland in search of opportunities across the African continent and beyond Zimbabwe because their own government has failed to create conditions for the dignified life. Instead of dedicating the full attention of the state to resolving these crises, the government has prioritized constitutional amendment that extend its stay in office. This is uncalled for. The extension of the presidential mandate through constitutional amendment rather than through free expressed will of the people at the ballot box represents a deeply disappointing development. It creates the perception that constitutional instruments are being manipulated to entrench political power instead of strengthening democratic accountability. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ine ari kuitwa EFF achiti ZANU-PF panguva ino yazonyanya. Ina comment section medu dzafundo enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like pamwe chete the bell icon.